packing the essentials. This outfit I'm going to be using in Los Angeles, which I will show you guys in another video. And I'm just packing my audition outfit for my Dallas audition, which is also a DIY, and I will link that down below so you guys can go ahead and go watch that.
And group 4, welcome aboard group 4.
Okay, I am tan now. I am on the way. My chest looks a little bit tanner than my stomach, but I'll fix that later. Okay, I will see you guys in a minute.
This is actually my first time at the Dallas Mavericks training center. Now I got here in plenty of time. I got here 30 minutes extra early so I can stretch, warm up, that good stuff. It's all so magical, isn't it? No, I'm at the completely wrong place. So I was walking around the facility for about 45 minutes. I even had a woman who was working inside trying to help me figure out where I'm supposed to be. I had the good sense of checking the story on Instagram, and they turned out to be at the American Airlines Center. But then...
Samaritan here. Give me a ride to the American Airlines. Oh my God. What's your name?
Ben.
Ben. Hi Ben, I'm Jaclyn. You'll be on my YouTube channel. Say hi to the world.
What's up?
Finally got in there. I was one of the last ones to get in. This is the registration table. They organized everybody from last names. By the time I got settled in, all the girls were already all over the place, mingling, practicing their freestyle, so I was already a little behind. Had to get myself kind of together quite quickly. Everybody was in the middle of the arena, practicing what they needed to practice. So at this point in the game, I'm just playing catch up and just trying to get myself together.
Everybody's practicing over there. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of far. We're not allowed to take like anything, so I'm like super secret up here.
Do you want me to take a picture of you?
Oh no. We just finished round one. The judges left. The girls came and taught us the dance. It's pretty cute, and everybody's learning it, and so this is us right now.
And now we're just waiting for the judges to come back. We're kind of taking a little break, getting some snacks, water, practicing the dance. What I should be doing now, but I wanted to show you guys kind of how the setup looks like. It's pretty exciting. There's a lot of really beautiful girls here with a lot of beautiful outfits, so yeah, it should be interesting. I'm not going to be able to film me dancing because they're not allowed anything down here, no water, no bags, no nothing. So wish me luck. Just went. Let me go this way because the lighting's everywhere. So I just went. I think I did pretty good. Now we're just waiting for them to tell us if we made it or not. So like cuts or whatever. Everybody's down there. Nobody's over here. So I couldn't really interact with a lot of girls because I got here so late. When I got here, everybody was already down on the floor, and I was like so flustered. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to be here. I have to get this for my heart attack. They are gonna announce who's gonna make it to the second round, and then they're going to teach you the rest of the choreography, and then they're going to do that round, and then after that they announce finalists for the ones who are going to come back tomorrow. So that's kind of where I'm at. I catch a flight at 4, so I think I'm actually going to go ahead and go, because if I really don't want to miss this flight. So if they don't come out soon, I might just have to go. I came out here for y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed what's happening right now. It's pretty exciting. It's super fun. The DJ's like, yeah, go, like while everybody's dancing, which can be a little distracting, but it's also kind of like very light and fun, and it keeps the spirit kind of alive and like really chill and really relaxed. So I really like that. So I hope you guys got something out of this. I'm sorry I couldn't really show the girls like practicing the dance, but I showed you the dance. So there's just so many great people here, so we'll see how it goes.